Good evening, everybody. Since Ganesh Chaturthi is arriving very soon, we are going to make a Ganesha today in white, in watercolors. To make base of Ganesha, I have put masking tape here on all the four sides, and I have divided the paper with the masking tape. If you don't have masking tape, then you don't have to divide it. You can leave it blank and you can mix the color. Now to paint on the paper, I have 5 shades. One, it is dark brown mixed with red and little bit of orange. Then yellow, golden yellow, orange, red, and it's dark pink color. So we will go in the order. First, I'm going to take dark brown here, and on this part, I'm going to paint dark brown. Color will be the dark pink, it's very watery. I have intentionally kept it very watery so that paper will absorb all the water and we get nice shade. You can mix the shades if you don't have masking tape. You can easily mix the shades. Next color is red. This is dark brown, then dark pink, red, orange, now we are starting how to draw the Ganeshji. So first thing, from somewhere from here, we will draw a curve here, then we will write U, Bada U. Bada U has, then here we are showing one ear. Now this side we will show another line. I will put it in ink. Then we will write a G here, capital G. Then one inverted question mark. And here is the line. Here we will draw one eye. So now we are making the Ganeshji. I have taken a 000 number brush, and here I have black color paint with me. This is the line. To write U. This is the plate of laddu. And the last thing which we have to do, make the tilak We will fill red color in the tilak later. First, we are doing only the outline. And here, draw a curve. Is eye, and to make eye, first I will make the pupil. Pupil will be black color with a white dot, and now very less color, really very less color, and we will draw lines. We will use little bit of brown color, light brown, to fill in the lower part of the eye. Very light brown, which you may not be able to see now, but when I will send you the picture, you will be able to see. So same thing here on the corners, little strokes here and there, and wash your brush and mix it with white color because it's watercolor, so it will mix very well. I'm going to decorate the crown. So for decoration, we are going to use two colors, red and yellow. Okay, so red and yellow, we are your brush and mix it with white color because it's watercolor, so it will mix. We are going to put dot. You can take any red color. This is a dotting tool. If you don't have, you use the back side of your brush and make dots. When these dots will get dry, red dots, then we will put yellow dots on the top of red ones. You can use back side of your brush and then you can make the dots if you don't have dotting tool. So I'm going to make some dots around the trunk also. This part is the trunk. I will start making the dots there. I'm not doing till the end, only this much I am doing, but again, it's your wish how much you want to do. We will wait so that our dots get dry. In the meantime, I am taking this 000 brush, the red color. I am giving a line here. Just like an outline, but this is the red color, pure red. You can use any colors. If you don't have watercolors, don't worry. You can use any other colors. After this, we are going to do the same work everywhere. Along with black line, we are going to give one red line. And sometime you may have to give a second coat. So this much is done. Now here. So now we are making the red mushrook for Ganesh ji. This is the black color and this is the grey color. We'll use black color for the outline. So it's just symbolic. Now I'm going to use grey color and then we will make the eye. If you don't have grey color, please use white color and put a drop of black in it. It will become the grey. When this will get dry, then we will make one white eye. So here, this is the brush back side and we'll make a small dot here. When this dot will get dry, then we will put a black dot in it